Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to transfer BUSD from Bitrue to Kraken in 2025, you're in the right place. With the crypto world evolving fast, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for moving funds between exchanges, but always remember to stay cautious with your assets. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics covered. You'll need an active account on both Bitrue and Kraken, with BUSD available in your Bitrue wallet. Also, verify your identity on both platforms if you haven't already. Exchanges like these require it for security reasons. Oh, and keep an eye on any network fees, they can add up. Let's get to the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section and select BUSD from your list of holdings. This is where you'll initiate the transfer. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw option next to your BUSD balance. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details. Now, switch to your Kraken account and go to the Deposit section. Copy the BUSD deposit address. Make sure it's for the correct network, like BEP20 or ERC20, as 2025 might have updated standards. Step 3. Paste that Kraken address into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Double-check everything. The address, the amount you're sending, and any memos if required. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve it via email or two-factor authentication for extra security. After that, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, log back into Kraken and check your BUSD balance to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip. In 2025, blockchain tech might be even faster, but always use official apps and avoid public Wi-Fi for these transactions to prevent hacks. If anything goes wrong, reach out to the exchange support right away. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Bitrue to Kraken. It's straightforward once you know the ropes. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. See you in the next one.